Hey everybody, this video is in case you need to do a hard factory reset on a Sony Bravia television. This is a kdl-55w829b. You might want to do this for two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your television is frozen or not responding or lagging or not connecting to Wi-Fi or not syncing with your devices, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start on your television, maybe you're setting it up in a new house, maybe you just bought a used one or you're selling this one or whatever, we can just have it like it was when it came out of the box with a simple reset. We're just going to go to the menu options here. And so we're just going to press the home button on the controller. And from the home button, we are going to select settings. And from settings, we're going to select general setup, then factory settings, then yes, and then yes again to confirm. And that will confirm that we want to do the factory reset. And after it's done, the initial setup screen will show up and you can set it up like a new device.